Let me show you one Japanese secret to looking younger. Now, do you know what this is? This is carrot. Now, carrot is a natural remedy that is very effective in tightening up the skin. Now, when your skin is tighter, when your skin is firmer, you are going to begin to look younger than your age right now. And the next one we're going to be needing is cucumber. Now, because cucumber contains the lactic acids and antioxidants, it helps to create a glow on the skin. It helps to remove wrinkles and fine lines, and it also helps you look young. And now we're gonna be needing mango. Using mango on the skin would evenly make you look young. It will glow up your skin, it will polish up your skin, it will bring out the beauty in your skin, and it will also leave your skin looking younger, removing fine lines. And then the last ingredient we're going to be making use of yogurt. Now, yogurt contains the lactic acids and vitamin E that helps to create a glow on the skin, and it also helps to remove wrinkles, fine lines, and pigments. So it's going to help you look younger. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be blending the carrots. I've already prepared and cut the carrots. I'm going to be blending just a little quantity of this carrot. Alright, so this is how it is, properly blended. And now I would be turning the carrots into this bowl. So the next thing I'm going to prepare is going to be mango. So I'm going to cut a little portion of this mango. I'm going to remove the meat out of it. Alright, so it's properly blended, and now I would be so this is the mango and carrots, and it's looking really friendly in the eyes right now. Like, I love mango like crazy. So the next one we're gonna be putting in is gonna be cucumber, Alright, so for the cucumber, we're just gonna be putting in the juice. So I'm gonna try to extract just the juice of the cucumber. So I'm going to be bringing in this again, pouring in all of the cucumber juice, and then we'll stir. Okay, so now we're just going to be taking in some quantity of the orange juice. I'm actually going to be doing it this way so it can be pretty easy for me to squeeze. And now I would have to turn in all of the orange juice into the mix and stir properly. Alright, so here's the treatment, and it looks really nice. Okay, so I'm going to be applying it using my brush, and you're just going to lay it all over your face generously. Oh my god, I love the smell of mango. Oh, and I eat it a whole lot. Oh, that's why I actually like wearing sleeveless anytime I want to apply treatment on my face, because I know it's going to drop, so I don't want it to drop on a dress. Rather, I'll wear sleeveless and I'll have to cover up my hair. Okay guys, so this you can actually use 3 times in a week because it's very friendly. Even if you want to use it, like if you're having a dull skin and you want to go for an occasion, you know, and you want to brighten up your skin, this is going to help you so much. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to wait for like 5 minutes. Okay, and after 5 minutes then I'll go wash this off and follow suit with using a toilet soap, and you can also follow suit with washing it with warm water. That's if you're not having wrinkles. Like if you don't have wrinkles on your face, you can wash with warm water. But if you have wrinkles or fine line, do not wash with warm water. Wash with cool water. Okay, it's gonna be perfect. Alright, so I'm gonna go wash mine out, and I'll be right back.